Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the E-classes now. We are doing history, nationalist movement in Indochina. Today's date is 1st of June 2021. Now here we have reached to 2.1, talking modern. In our previous class we have talked about their civilizing mission and to introduce new ideas to these people of Vietnam. So that was a big problem, there was a dilemma for them. So now number 2.1, there are altogether 5 points I have written over here. Let's talk about talking modern. More are there, in our next class we will talk about more of them, more of these. Number 1, the French were faced with another problem. Previously they had already faced the problem that they had to introduce new ideas and their culture has to be changed in order to provide them new modern methods or modern ideas, and their culture tradition has to be dismantled, and it was not easy. So that was the first problem. And second problem was another problem in the sphere of education. In the field of education, there were a lot of questions that arose and they faced the problem. What was the problem? As the Vietnamese elites mean very important people, as the Vietnamese elites were powerfully influenced by Chinese culture, as we have already learned that this area was influenced by Chinese culture, traditions, and even the language. So these Vietnamese elites were powerfully influenced by Chinese culture, and to increase French power or consolidate French power, they had to counter these Chinese influence. They had to counter means face. They had to remove this Chinese culture or the influence of Chinese culture. So it was not easy. So what they did, so they systematically dismantle means break down, systematically break down the traditional education system. The education system they broke down. Old traditional education system was removed slowly, systematically, part by part, not all at a time. If they remove all at a time or try to change everything at a time, naturally the people will raise a voice and they will revolt. So the French were very clever enough, so they systematically dismantled the old traditional system of education system, and established means shut up, established French schools in Vietnam. So they started opening new schools in Vietnam. So French school in Vietnam, but this was not easy. They opened new schools, but the Vietnamese were reluctant to join that new school. They were not ready to admit in that new schools. Only the educated people, they knew the value of education, and their children were admitted. Those who were educated, their children were admitted in the new school. But the other people who are not much educated, they were reluctant, means not willing to send their children to the new school. Anyway, let's see now. The main question now here is, they opened the school, but there was another problem. The medium of instruction, what it should be, French or the Vietnamese. So the main question that bothered means worried, French was, the main question that always worried them was, what was the question? Was the language to be Vietnamese or French in the new school? In the new school, the medium of instruction, what type of language, which language should be followed? Vietnamese or French? So was the language to be Vietnamese or French in the new schools? That was another question. Number 4, there were two opinions regarding this language, which language to choose in the new school, medium of instruction, Vietnamese or French. There were two opinions. There were two opinions. Opinion means views on these questions. First one, what was the first option, or what was the first opinion, not option? Some policymakers, some French policymakers emphasize, put more emphasis, put more stress. Makers emphasize the need to use French as the medium of instruction. Many of them, they suggested, the French government, that the medium of instruction in the new school should be French. Why? Instruction means teaching. In this way, what happened? Once the students get educated and they will have the educated labor force, and it will be very easy to govern them because they know French. And in this way, the educated Vietnamese respect French culture, ideals and sentiments. In this way, these educated people, after receiving French education in the new schools, they will respect the French ideas, French sentiments and French culture also. So it will be easy for them, for the French to govern them as well. So some policymakers suggested this. Other policymakers, other people, other opposed to French being the only medium of instruction. They said, no, 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 no. If the medium of instruction is only French, people will avoid. They suggested that Vietnamese be taught in lower classes. This second group of policymakers, they suggested that no, no, no. If we provide them French education and the medium of education is only, instruction is only French, then many of the people will start raising their voice. There will be many dropouts. Many of the students will not come to the school because it is a new language. They don't know much. They avoid, and maybe they will raise a voice against it. That also, that idea. They suggested that, this second group of policymakers suggested that Vietnamese be taught in the lower classes and French in the higher classes. So in this way they provided this solution. So those who learned French, those who have learned French and acquired means adopted and acquired French culture, who followed French culture, and these French culture were to be rewarded. These people should be rewarded with French citizenship. The second policymakers, they suggested that those who, after getting French education in the new schools, those who adopt French culture, understand French sentiments, follow French ideals, and these type of people should be provided French citizenship as a reward. So in this way, these policymakers, they provided suggestion to the French government. So in our next class, we will be continue. More are there. So more points are there in this. So that's all for today. We have done up to 5. In our next class, we will continue with point number 6 of this talking model. We have not finished about it. So 2.1. So till then, you can go through the book at home, do the reading. Reading is required because you are not perfect in reading. So as well as whatever is being provided, you learn at home properly. Don't waste your time. So get prepared for prepare yourself. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.